So I'm pretty sure nothing in my house has a volume setting. Everything exists at full scream. The 4-year-old narrates every breath like he's in a video game. The baby yells for sport, apparently. The 11-year-old wears headphones and still somehow yells. I whisper one thing to my wife. Somehow they all hear and respond in unison like I summoned Alexa. Even the fridge chimes in. I tried earplugs. The 4-year-old thought they were candy and shoved one up his nose. Peace and quiet would be nice, but I'll take slightly less chaos and 10 fewer decibels. Comment the loudest thing in your house right now. The winner gets a nap.